Welcome back to our Wix automation series. In this video, we'll explore how to manage your automations inside Wix. Once you've set them up, it's important to know how to edit, pause, or track them so they always support your business needs. Let's dive in. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and look for automations, then click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the automations you've created, as well as those that came pre-installed with the apps you've installed onto your site. In the Automations dashboard, you can easily see which automations are active and which ones are not. This helps you quickly check what's currently running on your site. To make changes, simply hover over the automation that you'd like to work on and click on this three-dot button that corresponds to it. Then select Edit. You'll be taken to the Automations editor, where you'll be able to adjust your trigger, update your action, or even add conditions or delays if you want to. Anyway, whenever you change anything here, make sure to always save your changes by clicking on Publish Changes. Anyway, we're going to exit now. If you want to create a similar automation without starting from scratch, use the Duplicate option instead. From here, you can select Duplicate and then work on the duplicated version. So you can tweak the copy instead of rebuilding it entirely. To stop an automation or pause it temporarily, you can click or toggle this button off and deactivate your automation for the meantime. Don't worry, because if you deactivate it, you can activate it the same way with just a click of a button. And by the way, if you click on your automation, a panel here on the right will appear. From here, you'll be able to see a lot of information, such as when it was created, when it was last edited, and you'll be able to see its activity as well, such as the total triggered and the last time it was triggered. And if you'd like to view even more information about the activity of your automation, you can view its run log. And that's how you manage automations in Wix. This helps you confirm if everything is working as expected. So that's it for today, guys. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.